Well, hello, and welcome to yet another episode of THEIMPACTPLAY, your premier source for education, reviews, and so much more across tech and gaming from It'sMuhammad.com. I'm your host, your producer, and the ones and twos, Muhammad. And be sure to subscribe to us over on YouTube, youtube.com at THEIMPACTPLAY, where we have the like button, and the subscribe, have notifications on so you don't miss a beat. So no matter wherever consumers or wherever consumers, we are there. The support is what keeps the lights and mics on and keeps us doing what we do best. You can learn more by visiting theplanet.com backslash support for more. If you know bucks, it's also a way. It's no big deal. You can simply use our Epic credit code THEIMPACTPLAY to help support us, and no added cost to use. Once again, use the credit code THEIMPACTPLAY. Use it when you're buying in Rocket League, Fortnite, Fall Guys, and so many others as well. Otherwise, on today's special episode of Impact Play, we have our hands finally on the Nothing Ear Open. We were finally able to get it. Let me take off the blur. Give me a second. Blurb, 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 blurb. Oh, here it is. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Let's do this and put it to half. Yeah, it's still kind of doing it. So let's decrease it more. Okay. That's fine. It's still doing it. Okay, we'll turn it off completely. Okay, perfect. Okay. Off it is. Now let's get into the unboxing. Okay, let's see. I don't want to. I kind of want to. I like to keep my boxings in order. So let me see. Okay. Oh no, there isn't. Okay, actually there's glue. So let me do it from this side. Okay. Okay. Wait, before I continue, let's flip the camera. Oops. Wait, why is the blur on? I didn't. Oh wait, I tapped the space button. I'm like, what just happened? Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, this way I know what I'm working with. Okay, let's tell to you. Hold on, what I wanted. Okay, there we go. This way I know what I'm working with. Okay, we're good. Okay, this should be. Yeah, it's all glue. I feel it. Can I do it from here or no? Oh yeah, I can. Perfect. Okay. Hmm. Nothing in here. Really empty. I don't know. I just ripped. Okay. So before we get into the device itself, save that for later. See what we got here. Instruction manual. Scan QR code to install the Dynamic X app. And what we got here? A very short USB to USB-C cable. Get that back. Because I don't need cables. I got plenty. I even bought some recently. A lot of cables to charge them from Anchor. If you saw our unboxing for that. Okay. Wait, something's missing. Oh, okay. Guess what's behind it. I'm like, wait a minute, something's wrong. Ready? So that's that. Now onto the main course. Oh, I was doing it carefully and it just ripped off. Okay, screw it. We're just gonna slide it. Can we slide it? Oh no, hold on. We can do it from the top. Screw it. We tried. We tried to preserve as much as we could. So there is the packaging. And we're gonna flip it back up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're good. There we are. Okay, now once I figure out how to open this. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty much from here. So of course that's the charger USB-C charging. And yep, it's obvious, pretty obvious because the hinge is on the back. This thing's so lightweight. Okay, and on the other side. And let me go ahead and connect these to my iPhone 16. Okay. There we go. All right. I'm still not used to this when you have to scroll down to access this quick settings and what have you. I'm still have trouble when I do it. Bluetooth settings. Nothing ear open. As you can see, it's right there. Connect. Alright, it's connected. Well, it's right, it didn't pop up like how they usually do. With the nothing devices, it usually pops up on the main screen. Okay. Once I figure out how this works, it's an open ear design, so. I'm assuming like that. I don't know if you can see that. So essentially, it's supposed to go in your ear canal, but not really there. It's just going to be sitting there. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's listen to some Apple Music. Library. For some Motorsport, no, listen to to my playlist. You mean download that app? I have it on the lowest setting, and like I can still hear everything around me. I guess I need some more time with it to actually give out. This is just the first impressions, so I will have a full review as well later on. I can maybe download the Nothing X app. As you can see, I already have the CMF watch open. Start. Probably gotta sign in. Sign in. Allow to continue. Allow. Bluetooth. There it is. Get the ear open. Tap. Set up device. Apparently has touch as well. I'll figure it out later. A firmware available update. I don't have to put it in the case. Oh, they do. I'm like, wait a minute, there's no way. Okay. 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 Update. Oh, the case open. My bad. I forgot it needs that. Okay. Let's see how quick this update is. In the meantime, it feels very weird because the way it just hangs on your ear from both sides, and then it just hangs on your ear. Essentially, it doesn't go inside of like how the Samsung Buzz Lives are. They hang in between. That's literally what it does, but it's just hanging there. It's not just being held by anything in your ear, essentially. So let's see. Okay, 70. Well, it's already on 80%. That was very quick. So with the update has optimized default volume for calls and playback, improved smoothness in game mode, and reduced our probability of accidentally touching the pressure sensors when taking the earbuds out of the box. Alright, it's done. 98. Should be done right, but we're right about now. So the current version is 1.0.1.19, and the current which is updated version is 1.0.1.23. Hurry up, it's already on 98. This will be done by now. So I want to see the transparency mode and the noise cancellation modes, because apparently with the CMOS devices, those don't work at all. So I want to see if this works with this device. Like stuck on 98. Okay. So anyways, we'll leave it at that. Oh, there we go. As soon as I sat it down, it was at 100%. Controls. No, controls. Go back. I want to see the equalizer, balance, voice, advanced, skip. Oh wow, this is like very complicated. Look at this. Look at the equalizer. And then there's a simple. I have no idea what this all does. Oh wow, the battery is very good. 95% on the case and 100% on the buds themselves. Okay, settings. Low lag mode. No, it's fine. Dual connection, whatever that means. Okay, find my earbuds for more update. Tips and support. Product features. How do I activate? Voice assistance. Trigger gesture controls. Reset. Adjust the volume. Product feature. Oh, here it is. No, so it doesn't support noise cancellation. So wow, what does the heck does it support then? Hold on. It's immersive sound, 30 hours of playback, 24 hours of talk time, ultra compact, IP5, dust and water resistance. I'm reading off to a website. So it blends in whatever you're doing. So I'm assuming there's no mode. But it says it has a sound seal system. Direct to speakers to ensure that you're the only one who can hear. Sound it's at the front and back of the bud. As AI enhancements, clear voice technology, so we'll have to test that. Bluetooth 5.3. So that's about it. Yeah, I'm not seeing nothing about noise cancellation, transparency mode, nothing like that. So I'm assuming this does have none of that. So I'm assuming there's no need for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing and my first impressions of the Nothing Eater Open. So I'll be testing these out, and hopefully we'll have a review coming your way soon. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to subscribe to us over at THEIMPACTPLAY.com. You can follow us on social media as well. Get up-to-date information. Join the Discord, which is the best way to get your most up-to-date information from anything here from the THEIMPACTPLAY. Otherwise, we're going to end it here now, folks. If you haven't done so already, hit the like, hit subscribe on youtube.com/THEIMPACTPLAY and podcast services as well. And if you haven't done so already, leave a rating or review whatever platform you're on. It helps us reach even more listeners, even more viewers worldwide than we already are. So already we have listeners in almost 50 countries worldwide. So if you, I know there's a lot of people out there that haven't even heard of us, but even though we're still being heard and watched globally, so be sure to share with a friend, share it with a colleague, or anyone that could benefit, that would like our content, essentially. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are in an Atlanta-based studio. This has been a recording in production and edited by the THEIMPACTPLAY, all rights reserved, and this has been another episode by the THEIMPACTPLAY. Otherwise, we're going to end it here now, folks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and have a good one, folks, and we'll see you all next time around.